Sure, plus I'm sure like Polly, y'all niggas hearing probably. I'm hearing definite, yes, nigga, I'm what God be. You already know they got me, the young Gotti. Motherfuckers already know I body everybody, nigga. Bring your fam, I'ma bring the cam. Motherfuckers already know they get wet like dams. Rivers, motherfuckers already know I'm cold, just like December. Every verse will make you shiver. Nigga, motherfucker, a quiver, just like Jose. Motherfuckers already know shots will go your way. Knock your toupee sideways. You motherfuckers already know how I play. It's unfair. You would not bear arms like motherfucking Grizzlies. Cause my game throw just like a frisbee. Who is he? The nigga off the top, motherfucker. You already know I'm shocking cause I'm Watts, motherfucker. Drop, motherfucker. Pull up on something hot, flying off the lot, motherfucker. And I want a lot, motherfucker. You already know you busters is getting blocked, motherfucker. Fuck a video. I already know I'm an individual that leave niggas so critical condition. Fuck your bitch, fuck your family functions. Niggas already know I come through and niggas is stunting. I'm smoking so niggas is blunt, man. Niggas already know making assumption. Niggas get the pump in, shit'll get the pump in. Out your body, motherfuckers already know I'm keep the shotty. Motherfuckers already go heaven to hell. Pick your way, motherfucker. Fuck with me, the shit's dismay. Shit decay with decay. Shit don't play. Shit, that's A. Motherfucking first I say, when I spray, nigga run the game like relays. Niggas already know. Steve, that's my DJ. Shout out to the motherfucking Street King. And you already know I'm in the streets with the king. Shit, nigga get quick with the beam. Motherfucker heat him up, you feel a fucking steam. Your self-esteem be gone when he be on. Motherfuckers already know this way I do him is wrong. Alright though, I ain't gotta write no motherfucking verse. I spit, ain't no fucking typos. Motherfucker, you can go white like Michael, and I'ma fade away sorta like Michael. Motherfuckers already know that I might flow off the top like my hair, my pay might grow. Motherfucker, y'all niggas go to Maestro, but y'all niggas chase for cheese like Maestro. Nigga, and I don't rat at all. Motherfucker, I do treat niggas and bat them all. Sorta like that nigga Griffey, nigga, and I bear arms like Grizzly. I said it before, say it again, simple and plain. Catch me in a plane flying high with your dame. We ain't even in the States, we somewhere in Spain. Motherfuckers already know I'm that main nigga off the top when I spit shit. Y'all just throw it up, nigga, cause this is sick shit. Motherfucking, y'all niggas think I got the 6th sense. My motherfucking verses be some 6th sense. Since I nigga started rapping, motherfuckers like, watch when the fuck that happened, nigga. This a natural reaction. Motherfuckers already know how youngins stay capping with the cap man in the fitted. Motherfuckers hate how I do it in a minute, but the flow is so exquisite as your bitch and she with it. Motherfucker, now the hoe begging me to hit it. After I hit it, I tell her get with it. Gone and get gone, nigga. You gon' be the next hoe of my song. And I'ma sew the game up, no needle and thread. Leave them niggas fucking lame, bruh. Leave the lane, bruh. Gotta get the plane, bruh. I'm with the same bruhs, motherfucking main, bruh. Yeah, nigga, you can be a stain, bruh. Don't let the thing stain ya. The stainless steel still'll leave a stain for real. Motherfuckers, you'll really get killed. My niggas is ill. That's how we take the K off. Work every day, never take a day off. You niggas is laid off. Motherfuckers already know I get paid off. And then I pay off my own niggas, and I'm on my own, nigga. With a motherfucking click steady and strong, nigga. Sorta like Stromae.
Cold instrumentals.